After a flood event, first thing people look for is water.
Just in a short lifetime that we can see an obvious change in our climate.
What is climate change?
Climate change refers to a change in the Earth's weather patterns or atmosphere over a period of time due to human activities all around the globe.
How am I being affected by climate change?
Just now, this year, how much hotter it has been than almost any other year that I have experienced for sure.
Well, rivers are drying out, and that causes a shortage in our water supply within the communities, especially during the dry season.
I remember my dad have a property on top of the hill where we used to have water. We used to plant that in there. And right now, if you go there, there's no water.
My family owns a farm, and sometimes because of the low level of water in the river, it's hard to get it pumped to the farm to water the crops, and that of course causes a damper on income in the household, and not just my household but persons in the communities.
Over the past years, due to the emergence of climate change, we having some longer dry spell periods and of course some unusual wet periods.
So when we're expecting the rains don't come, and when we're not expecting it, it comes. So we have droughts, we have floods. We also look at the pollution factor.
We never used to cut the big trees because those trees are the things that are keeping the water. If you keep cutting them, which means to say the water gonna dry out.
It is low, and it is getting lower because of the change in the precipitation pattern. So right now, even in the rainy season, that we have much less rainfall in our watersheds. In the advent of climate change, one of the things that we definitely have to do is management of our water resource, and that is not only the utility, but we also have to look at it, say, at a residential level, also industries, in terms of managing the water that is on compound, so to speak.
I live in a more mountainous area, so when you live up in the mountains, it's harder for water to get to you. So because of my location, there are sometimes issues with droughts or with water not reaching us.
Climate change is affecting our region, St. Lucia, in many ways. First, we have droughts, more severe and prolonged droughts, especially in the Soufre area where we have a lot of springs and most of the water from the ground, from the springs are diminishing. In surface water, in case of Bellevue, therefore, the river is running dry and dry every year. And we also have low levels recorded at the John Compton Dam during dry season.
So if you have less precipitation, your water levels in the rivers are going to be very low. The sedimentation levels in the rivers has increased. So where before, we had pools and you had basins that had water, right now those have been overtaken by silt. So sometimes persons say, well, in the past, we used to have a lot of water in certain rivers, but now we don't have it anymore.
In terms of heavy rain, we have a lot of siltation taking place in surface sources like the John Compton Dam. Recently, we had to be dredging it.
Individually, we all have a responsibility, or should see it as our responsibility to do our part in any way that we can to improve our environment.
But we need to teach them, tell them if they cut all the big trees, the huge trees, we won't have water. So don't cut it, protect those trees, or at least plant more trees if they can.
For conservation and management of water resources, we could use faucets that actually don't require us to use more water than is necessary.
Also, we're seeing leaks and so in our water supply, even if it is not in our area, reporting things like that.
The types of plants and flowers that we have around our homes. So in terms of are those water intensive, we're promoting rainwater harvesting. In a rain event, may not make a general impact on a watershed, but definitely at a residential level, persons can collect water to actually take care of the household activities.
Sometimes if you do not have water stored at home, it can be very difficult.
How we use water on a day-to-day basis, we need to be much more careful with that in our homes.
Right now we have to build more tanks, more storage tanks to keep water.
My hopes for the future with climate change is that our behaviors as human beings changes.
Right now it's just to take action as to how we can help reduce the impacts it has on us.
If we just engage with it in a fresh way, in a way that makes us excited about the planet, it would really, really make a difference.
Exactly.